Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to capture more leads on your website? In this video, I'll show you how to create and embed forms and pop-ups using EngageBay's free plan. First, go to the Marketing module and click on Forms. To create a new form, click Create Form. You can choose a template for a simple contact form, a newsletter sign-up, or a more detailed survey. Use the drag and drop builder to add fields like name, email, and phone number. Customize the colors and button text to match your website. For pop-ups, select the pop-up type when creating your form. You can set when it appears, like after 10 seconds, or when someone is about to leave your page. Once your form is ready, click Embed. You'll get a piece of JavaScript code. Copy this code and paste it into the HTML of your website where you want the form to appear. Most website builders like WordPress or Wix have a section to add custom code. The free plan lets you create multiple forms and pop-ups. Every submission automatically creates a new contact in your CRM, and that's it. Add an active of keys a new contact. You're now capturing leads directly from your website and growing your list automatically. If you add a form to your site, let me know where you placed it in the comments. See you in the next one.